Watch the log output on the screen. Once you see it say Loading System Software, enter the key sequence displayed. This will stop it from loading the system image. Go to Configure Terminal, type in admin-password and enter a new password. Next, you're going to have to locate the system image within Boot Flash. You type in Load, Boot Flash, highlight the system image name, and paste it. This will bring the switch into full operation. Watch the screen output and notice that you do not have to use do commands within NxOS to access commands located in other configuration levels. A useful command in NxOS is show interface brief. This command will show all interfaces, Ethernet and fiber channel included. Also notice that the write memory command has been removed. You can add this command as an alias and add it back to the command library. Type in CLI alias name WR and then copy run start, which is the command you want to initiate. Now we're going to look at the management interface. This is used in NxOS for out-of-band management. These two interfaces are using the 10.1.10.0/24 network, 116 on the left and 117 on the right. Notice that when I ping 117, I don't get a response. This is due to VRF. So we need to see what VRF the management interface is in, and it's in management. So if we add the VRF management command string to the end of the ping command, we now get through. Next, we're going to look at the VRF context management. Initiate show run pipe, the argument section, apostrophe VRF context management, and another apostrophe. This is the full config section within show run. Next, we're going to ping Google's DNS server using VRF management. Notice that the traffic does not get through. We need to set a default route within VRF context management. Go to VRF context management, type in IP route, your default route, and hit enter. Now we're going to ping Google's DNS server again. And notice we get through. Also notice that when you initiate the show IP route command, you need to specify the VRF you're looking at. VRF completely separates routing information. Also with the show IPINT brief, you need to specify the VRF that you want to look at. Now we're going to look at the licensing installed on the NxOS device. Type in show license usage. We're going to focus on the enhanced layer 2 package, which is in fact installed. If you need to install a new license, you would type in install license boot flash and the name of the file. You would need to upload the license via FTP or some other form of file transfer protocol. Now we're going to install a feature set which provides additional features within NxOS. Notice that when I type in show fabric path, I get no result. This is because I need to install the feature set fabric path. Go to Configure Terminal, type in install feature-set and fabric path. It will take a minute. Next, I need to activate the feature set by typing in feature-set and fabric path. Now when I type in show F ? I see fabric path. The feature is now installed. System features need to be activated within NxOS. You can see which ones are by typing in show feature. We're going to focus on FEX, which is enabled. Notice that we have config commands for FEX. I'm going to uninstall the feature by typing in no feature FEX. Now when I look, there are no commands for FEX. Now I'm going to reinstall the feature, and the commands will be back. Now we're going to configure a checkpoint. In the system, if I type in show checkpoint summary, it will show me the available checkpoints. Now we're going to configure a checkpoint. Go to Configure Terminal and type in checkpoint, the name of the checkpoint, description, and a description. Now when we issue the show checkpoint summary command, we see our checkpoint. We could also view it in its entirety, similar to running configuration. Now we're going to roll back to our checkpoint. Type in rollback, running configuration, checkpoint, and the checkpoint that we created. You can also create a checkpoint file in boot flash. Type in checkpoint, file, boot flash, and a specific name that you want to use. Type in directory to view the file. Now we can roll back to this file. Type in rollback, running configuration, file, boot flash, and the name of the file.